We start with the latest on the impeachment trial. Now, members of the Constitutional Court held a meeting earlier today ahead of their preparatory hearing scheduled for tomorrow amid continued uncertainty over the president's attendance and his agenda. Our correspondent Oh Soo-young reports.
Still no news from President Yoon Suk Yeol on how he will challenge his impeachment at the Constitutional Court. On Thursday, Press Officer Lee Jin said the president has not submitted any materials or plans to present his case at the court's first preparatory hearing on Friday. The preparatory hearing is expected to kick off at 2 p.m., where two judges will gather materials and arguments from both Yoon and the National Assembly, which voted to remove him from office over his imposition of martial law on December 3rd. The judges will then outline the key issues or major grounds for impeachment, and a list of evidence and witnesses to be presented throughout the trial. Prior to the hearing, the National Assembly's Impeachment Committee submitted a plan and a list of evidence, witness applications, as well as a power of attorney. However, Yoon has been refusing to receive the court's official documents, requesting his response and preparation for the trial. He also has not yet submitted the requested proclamation of martial law and the minutes of the cabinet meeting that took place shortly before he declared martial law.
With no word from Yoon less than a day before the hearing, it's still unclear who will represent the president or whether his team will skip the session entirely. Some observers say it's possible the president himself could show up here on Friday. The Constitutional Court says it cannot reveal at this time whether security detail is being discussed or arranged for such a scenario.
Yoon's team so far has expressed the need for more preparation time, adding to concerns that the prosecutor-turned-president will lengthen the trial process with delaying tactics. As uncertainty lingers, all 6 judges at the Constitutional Court held a meeting Thursday morning.
The justices presented a report on the case's progress and response measures, and the full bench shared their awareness of the situation and response strategies.
The court did not disclose what measures they discussed, but maintained that Friday's hearing will go ahead as planned. Around 2 to 3 preparatory sessions are expected before the case proceeds to trial. Meanwhile, as partisan clashes continue over the authority of acting President Han Duck-soo to fill the 3 vacancies on the Constitutional Court bench, an official said the court Secretary General and all 3 judicial candidates have stated that Han is able to appoint the judges. Currently, as 6 out of 9 judges are needed to uphold the impeachment, the current panel of 6 justices would have to vote unanimously in order to remove Yoon from office. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.